Introducing the Champion Power Equipment Flex Whole House Home Standby Generator. Equipped with Flex technology for reduced installation cost and increased efficiency, this generator is the perfect choice to provide your home with a permanent source of backup power. During a power outage, it automatically starts and delivers continuous electrical power to your home. And since it's connected directly to your home's propane or natural gas supply, it's always ready to go and never needs refueling. The removable slide lock access panels make installation and maintenance simple and straightforward, while the durable, weatherproof, corrosion-resistant all-aluminum enclosure protects your generator from harsh conditions. The innovative design means the engine is up to 20% more fuel efficient than leading competitors, and advanced sound dampening allows for ultra-quiet operation. The easy access design gives you a full view of the OLED Flex Controller, a customizable system that uses powerline carrier technology for faster installation, increased efficiency, and lower cost. The generator pairs with Champion's 100, 150, or 200 amp automatic transfer switch to keep your whole house powered during any emergency. Combine that with an industry-leading 10-year limited warranty, and it's easy to see why Champion Whole House Home Standby Generators are the smart backup power solution for your home.